Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by. I appreciate it. In case you're new here, my name is Linda Arnold. I'm a mostly self-taught potter who has a mild hot tea addiction. I'm on a quest as a potter to either find or make the perfect teapot and then fill it with the perfect tea. Today, I am at Epcot, and we're going to be trying a lot of different teas that kind of match the different countries as we go around. Our first tea that we'll be having is from Harney and Sons, and it is a tropical green tea. We're here at the Epcot Food and Wine Festival, and we're close to the Hawaii booth. And so we have some num-nums from there, and we're going to try a tropical green tea. So this is from Harney and Sons, and everything is pre-measured to go in our pot. This has a very interesting smell. It almost smells like mangoes. I did not bring any information with me about the tea because it was quite a lot of stuff to try to pack into the park. Kind of looks like a sencha. The tea leaves are quite green. They look very pretty. Let's set this to brew for about, we'll go 2-3 minutes. In the meantime, what is this? Oh, that's like pineapple-y, potato-y.
Yep. Spicy mayonnaise.
That's really interesting. And what is this?
Pork slider with a pineapple chutney.
A pork slider with pineapple chutney with our tropical green tea. Oh, that's interesting. That is extremely interesting. So, if you've been around the channel for a while, you know that I really enjoy pineapple. This is an interesting pineapple-y pork bread thing. It's been 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take the first one. The leaves have bloomed beautifully. You can absolutely tell that it's a cut leaf, but they are larger leaves. There's a very slight color to the tea. It is green, but it is very, very slight. Do you want to wait until 3 for yours? Actually, it's about 3, so the tea is clear. There is not a lot of particulate. It does still smell kind of like mango. That's a very interesting. So it is absolutely green tea. You can tell that on the front, and there is. To me, it tastes like mango. That's quite a delightful flavor, actually. I'm quite enjoying that. Okay. So I want to be able to show you the leaves. So you can see some of the leaves here that I've pulled out. They are quite large. I mean, this is an entire leaf, and they're cut, but you've got huge leaves that are in it, and this is a very flavorful tea, and I'm quite enjoying it, actually. Richard, what did you think about your cup?
It's good. They can't hear that.
So, my wonderful husband, Richard, is here with me, and he's my cameraman today, and he's had a cup of it, and he enjoyed it himself as well. That was quite a delightful tea with some really interesting food. I really like this tea. Hot was yummy, but honestly, I think I'd rather have it iced. So I'll give it a thumbs up, and I will probably order this again. I think it'd make an excellent cold brew. Alrighty, well, thanks for coming by and having a cuppa with me today. I appreciate it tremendously. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next country. Bye.